Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear Mango Cache. So let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on a mobile device. Now scroll down and tap on Apps option. Among all of these options, select Manage Apps. Now in the search bar, type in Mango and perform your search. Tap on Mango application. At the bottom right corner of your screen, you will be able to see Clear Data option. Tap on it. And then tap on Clear Cache option. Now tap on the OK button. And this is how you can clear Mango Cache. By doing so, your certain problems like loading or formatting issues can be fixed. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.